Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRBP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very impressive day today. Closed strong on Monday, and then that strength just continued into today. So several updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, and that states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's where 235 comes into play, which I would now consider the ideal level of support. Meaning if you're asked, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above 235, that would be a fantastic sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that level, that does not mean that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a fantastic sign of strength moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword definitely being moving. I get it. This line's way down here. The price is way up there. But as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying up above 235 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key battleground to watch very closely going to be right there at $2.65, and then if 265 can be broken, next key level after that is just simply where the party and momentum stopped today, and that was right up there at 280. But all in all, very impressive movement today, very impressive volume. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.